Welcome to Civil Engineering Laboratories. My name is Daba Gaddafa. I'm the Chair and Associate Professor of Civil Engineering. I'm going to provide overview of the 5 laboratories we have. I'm going to start with Surveying Lab. Surveying Lab is located in 106H, which is in option 1. So in the surveying recording, I'm sure you have seen all the equipment we have, including GPS total station and the other devices we have for our survey. Now we are going to look at mostly the safety aspect of our materials in the soils lab. Now the materials, the civil engineering materials lab is located in option 1, room 112. As you can see here, we have the safety information card. We take safety very, very seriously. Students use protective equipment, personal protective equipment whenever it is needed. So I'm going to show you some of the protective equipment inside here. So depending on the type of test they do, our students may need to use safety glasses, which are already located here. Then if need be, we have a washing station. We also have a shower in the restroom, which is just next, which is not very far away from here. Then our students have also thick gloves when they are dealing with very hot stuff, especially mixing their asphalt mixes. Then we also have safety vests, hard hats. So say we have a lot of hard hats in the safety vest when we take our students to a field visit, which we highly recommend, especially for upper level courses and also our labs. Then in some cases the contractors may not have enough safety vests and hard hats. Then we take the stuffs we have. We also provide a first aid kit if in case anything happens, which nothing happened in the past, but we just need to be ready if in case any kind of incident or accident happens. So we take safety seriously. Our students read a 2-page safety guidelines on the first day of lab. Then after they read everything in detail, they have to sign and provide to the lab instructor. There is a lab instructor and graduate teaching assistant in every lab, just to make sure that the students know what to do, how to do it for their own safety and also for the efficient operation of the equipment. We just don't want to damage very expensive equipment. In some cases we paid 142 or 150,000 for a single equipment. So we want to make sure that things are done in a safe and efficient manner. So now I'm going to show you the room 113, which is also in option 1. That is mostly for materials and also structural engineering lab. So I showed you the universal testing machine, which is used for concrete, steel, wood, and all other type of materials as well. So in our labs, so all of the labs, they have the safety information card. This was renewed on September 1st, and we know the people who are in charge of this lab and the type of materials. Then at the door of each and every lab we have a fire hydrant if in case anything happens, and also we have lab coats. And just depending on the need, we have all the things we need. Then we highly recommend that students use those things, especially if it is unsafe. Then they have to use safety glasses, especially when they determine hardening properties of concrete in case it explodes. Even though we close the door, we still ask the students to use the safety glasses to make sure that they are well protected. That the environmental engineering lab is in option 2, room 360 and 63. So it was recorded this morning. Since it is very far apart, I'm just going to stop here. In this, we saw the surveying lab, civil materials lab, soil mechanics lab, and hydraulic engineering lab. And the only lab which is in option 2 is environmental engineering lab, which you saw in the video. Just to save our time, I'm not going to walk all the way to that lab, but we follow the same procedure. We take safety as a priority. It is a very, very high priority for us, and we make sure that students take seriously as well. So we post the information for our students in the Blackboard site as well. In addition to signing in each lab classes, students also have access to our safety guidelines through the Blackboard. All civil engineering students have access to our safety guidelines. And we also update our safety guidelines from time to time based on what we do and also the changes that happen at the university level or national level. So safety is a priority for all of us. Thank you so much, and please let us know if you have any questions at any time. We appreciate